Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated features of Samsung's latest foldable, the Galaxy Z Flip 6. Specifically, we're addressing the burning question: does the Galaxy Z Flip 6 support 8K video recording? Let's get started. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 marks a significant leap forward for Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip lineup. It's packed with various upgrades that truly make it feel like a flagship device, setting it apart from its predecessors. One of the most exciting improvements is the camera, which has undergone a major upgrade. Gone is the 12-megapixel camera sensor that Samsung has been using since the first Galaxy Z Flip. The Flip 6 now boasts a 50-megapixel primary camera, the same powerful sensor that you'll find on high-end devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy S24. This new sensor isn't just about more megapixels. It's about delivering better picture quality in all lighting conditions. Whether you're snapping photos in bright daylight or low-light environments, the Flip 6 promises to deliver stunning results. Now, let's talk about zoom. While the Galaxy Z Flip 6 doesn't have a dedicated telephoto camera, it makes up for it with its impressive 50-megapixel sensor. The higher megapixel count means you can take better shots at 2x zoom, both in standard photo mode and portrait mode. This is a significant improvement over previous models where zooming in often meant sacrificing image quality. But what about video recording? Samsung has made some noteworthy improvements here as well. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is the first in the series to support 4K video recording at 60 frames per second on all cameras. This is a big deal for anyone who loves capturing high-quality videos on the go. Whether you're recording your daily adventures or creating content for your social media channels, the Flip 6 has got you covered with smooth and crisp video quality. Now let's address the question that's on everyone's mind. Can the Galaxy Z Flip 6 record 8K videos? While the 50-megapixel camera sensor theoretically has the number of megapixels needed to record 8K videos, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is limited to 4K video recording. Samsung hasn't officially explained why this is the case, but it's likely due to thermal constraints. Here's the deal. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is the first phone in the series to feature a vapor chamber cooling system. This system helps the device run at lower temperatures when pushed to its limits, especially compared to previous models. However, despite the cooling system being larger than those found in bigger phones like the Galaxy S23 Ultra, the Flip 6 still tends to hit higher temperatures when used aggressively. This is likely the reason Samsung decided to cap the video recording at 4K resolution. Recording in 8K generates more heat, which could push the device beyond safe thermal limits. So, to ensure that the Galaxy Z Flip 6 stays within accepted thermal parameters, Samsung probably made the decision to restrict it to 4K video recording. Now, you might be wondering, is this a big deal? In our opinion, it's not. While 8K video recording sounds impressive, it comes with its own set of challenges. For starters, 8K videos generate a lot more heat, which can strain the device's cooling system. They also take up a significant amount of storage space, and unless you have a large storage capacity, this can quickly become a problem. Z Flip 6 is more than capable of meeting your needs. And that's it for today's video. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy Z Flip 6's camera capabilities? Do you think 8K recording is a must-have feature, or are you happy with 4K? Let me know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and make sure to subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews and comparisons. As always, see you in the next video. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung W25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Young also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. A leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.